Congratulations on purchasing a Ryobi 36 volt 18-inch lawnmower kit, model number RLM36X46BL. I'm going to run you through what's included in the box. To start, we have a 36 volt 1.7 amp charger and a 36 volt battery. When you unbox the battery, the pack will have between 1 and 2 bars of charge. That means it could take, on this particular charger, up to about 2 to 3 hours to fully charge. Next is the catcher frame and the catcher fabric material itself. When installing this, you actually need to place the frame inside of the bag, making sure that this top handle stays outside. Once you pull that through, you then just put these clips around and secure the fabric catcher into position. Next, I'm grabbing the user manual. This little bag includes the red safety key, which must be installed for the unit to operate, as well as 2 bolts and 2 knobs required for the handle assembly. Now I'm going to grab the lawnmower. You can see there's an upper and lower handle assembly. The upper handle assembly is attached to the lawnmower via the power cable. All I need to do is extend these handles, and these 2 grey points on either side are spring loaded. You can then lower them down and put them into position. There are 2 holes here that you can see. These determine what height the handles will be installed at for the operator. So when installing these upper handles, it's a good idea to fit them first and then come with one of your bolts from the inside and line it up as best as you can with the outside, and then secure that in place on both sides. I'm then going to take the 2 retaining knobs and secure the handles in position. Installing the catcher, lift the rear flap here, and you see these 2 points here are designed to fit the 2 metal pieces of the frame of the catcher. So when installing the catcher, really nice and easy. Pull it into position here, pop it in place, close the flap, and you're done. Next thing to do will be to install the red safety key. If this is not installed, the unit will not operate. The height adjustment lever is just here, and you can set it between levels 1 and level 5. Good idea when adjusting your heights is to hold that central handle point there and just move it up or down quite easily. It's a very, very easy and fluid motion. Take your battery and install it by sliding it down and into position in the unit itself. You will hear that clicking sound. That's how you know it's seated and installed correctly. From there, I'm going to move to the upper handle assembly. You need to press that middle button first and hold it on. While doing that, you can pull either of these 2 levers, wait about a second, and the unit will turn on. You'll notice that I have released that central button. You don't need to hold that while the unit is running, it's just for starting only.
Ryobi, a cut above.